Hey guys, I am Vaibhav and you are watching Cybernetics. So today we are going to do the unboxing of this Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5. Let's first remove the plastic wrap. This is the box itself. According to me, this is the best budget phone under 10,000 rupees. Its highlighting specs are this massive 4000 mAh battery, its 12 megapixel camera, Snapdragon 625 and its 5.99 inch 18:9 screen. This is having 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage. Let's open the box. So the box is simple and white from the when we open it. It is having something. Let's open this. So here we have the silicon case they are giving with this phone. So let's get the case out of this plastic wrap. Yes, we have this silicon case and it looks really good. It is really flexible and good for protecting a device from any damages. Let's get the main headset out of the box. So as I've said, it is 18:9 screen. It looks good in this budget phone and it has this typical Note design camera and fingerprint at the back. Let's keep this aside and see what we get inside. This is a written Note 5 and some paperworks. So here we have the SIM ejector tool and a cable for charging. This is a micro USB cable, still not getting a type C. Here we have the travel adapter. Let's see the power of this adapter. So it is a 2 amp charger, so it will not charge the phone really fast, not too good, but still good for a budget phone. So this is a back of the device. Let's remove this label and here we have the fingerprint scanner. The metal quality is really good. The fingerprint scanner is just below the camera. Let's remove the screen guard. Um, so the screen looks really cool. So here we have the proximity sensor, the earpiece, the 5 megapixel camera, and at the bottom we've got two grills, one here, in which one we've got for the microphone and one for the speaker. Here we have the charging port. At the side we've got a SIM tray. So let's check what type of SIM tray do we get with this device. So this is a hybrid SIM slot in which we can use two SIM at one time or one SIM and one memory card. Let's put this inside. Back to the mobile phone. So on the top we've got an headphone jack, an IR blaster and a secondary noise cancellation mic. On the side we've got the volume rockers and the power on off key. Let's boot up the device. So as we can see, typical Xiaomi's logo over the screen, center of the screen, and at the back we've got the same logo. So as we all know, it is powered by Android as it is on the screen. The screen is looking really good. It is really bright screen. It is running on the MIUI 9. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and do subscribe to our channel for more tech videos.